Like millions of businesses all over the world, you have moved to Microsoft 365, and it's great. However, did you know that Microsoft will only guarantee 90% of your data for 30 days? Is that enough? Here are the top 5 reasons why you need to back up your Microsoft 365.
The human factor. Ever had that sinking feeling where you realise that you've hit save instead of cancel and overwritten important files, thereby erasing hours, if not days of work? What do? Call Microsoft? They will simply tell you that they cannot go back in time and restore the previous version. Even if you have version history turned on, that's not perfect and it's time limited.
With a cloud backup solution, you can recover the original file in a matter of minutes with unlimited retention. You could go back years if you needed to. Get in touch today to find out how we can make sure your business is properly backed up.